Alright guys, we're in the AirShow map. One of my favorite maps. Y'all already know. You have a cape. I was on the last screen. I was looking at the chat. Is he actually 8 rushing me and slow bridging? It's like a bro moment, you know? It's like a bro, what are you doing moment. Okay, 6 wood defense. Take KB, you dumb bitch. Oh, well, I could kill him any day. Okay. I don't need a lot of blocks. So, I'm just going to go in. Holy shit, you see how like that bitch is? I need 2 more. I'm just gonna finish this bridge. You're welcome, by the way. Oh shit, I push. Aqua and yellow. No. Ooh. Gray and red. Yes. Red. Push. Red. I have a cave stick, so I don't. I'm just gonna go up. EDC? Oh yeah, EDC. Shit. I actually might get pushed by Aqua. So I'm just gonna go here, get trap prot. Go get me iron sword, heals, bunch of blocks. Is Aqua pushing me up? No, I missed. Oh. Now it's just me and Aqua, okay. Did Aqua DC or some shit? I meant blue. I'm gonna get me a fireball, cause I've been popping off a fire. Holy shit. That bed defense. Never mind. I'm not gonna give me a fireball. Give me full tools, cause you already know the vibes. You already know the vibes. Pog, pog, pog. Yep. Okay. Let her clutch. Oh, fuck. Holy shit, why the fuck did you shit on your bed? Like, it's like a... One streak, pog.